Health benefits of tomatoes. There are plenty of ways to eat a tomato and potentially reap its many benefits. Since tomatoes are the fleshy sections of a plant that envelop its seeds, they meet the botanical definition of a fruit and are therefore considered to be one. Nonetheless, because of their flavor, application in food, and nutritional value, tomatoes are regarded as vegetables for dietary and culinary reasons. Nutritional information about tomatoes. According to the USDA, 100 grams of ripe, red tomatoes contain the following. Calories: 18 calories. Fat: less than 1 gram. Cholesterol: 0 milligrams. Sodium: 5 milligrams. Carbohydrates: 3.89 grams. Fiber: 1.20 grams. Protein: less than 1 gram. In addition to being low in calories, tomatoes also contain essential nutrients including potassium and vitamin C. Moreover, they contain a lot of antioxidants. Benefits. According to research, tomatoes in all their varieties, fresh, cooked, and juiced, help ward off chronic illnesses and promote an active lifestyle. Perhaps protective of mental health. Alzheimer's disease affects 10% of American individuals who are 65 or older. The dementia-like condition, which affects memory, thinking, and behavior, has no treatment and worsens over time. While additional investigation is required to determine the relationship between tomatoes and AD, studies have shown that antioxidants in tomatoes, such as lycopene, may offer protection against neurodegenerative conditions like AD. May assist with combating metabolic disorder. A metabolic disorder is a gathering of conditions that increment the gamble of coronary illness, diabetes, stroke, and other serious medical conditions. It includes having at least 3 of the accompanying circumstances. A large waistline. High blood pressure. High blood sugar. High triglycerides or blood fats. Low, good, HDL cholesterol. Despite not receiving a consistent amount of the juice, the group saw a significant reduction in bad LDL cholesterol, an increase in good HDL cholesterol, and an improvement in fasting insulin levels. Protects the health of the heart. A tomato-rich eating regimen has been connected to a diminished gamble of coronary illness, the main source of death for grown-ups in the U.S. One survey of 25 recently distributed investigations detailed that a high admission of lycopene, as well as high blood levels of the cell reinforcement, diminished the gamble of coronary illness by 14%. Each of the 3 portions decreased blood cholesterol and fatty oils, a kind of fat in your blood, and raised HDL cholesterol and calming levels. May help prevent constipation. Constipation can be brought on by a lack of liquids and fiber. 1 full tomato contains about 4 ounces of liquid and 1.5 grams of fiber, making tomatoes a good source of both nutrients. Tomatoes' high water content and dietary fiber are believed to assist hydration and regular bowel motions. Both soluble and insoluble dietary fibers are abundant in tomatoes. Insoluble fiber gives stool volume while soluble fiber absorbs water to generate a gel-like texture after digestion. May help prevent type 2 diabetes. Among U.S. grown-ups, 14.7% have type 2 diabetes and 38% have prediabetes when glucose levels are excessively high yet not yet sufficiently high to be analyzed as type 2 diabetes. Some exploration shows that the cell reinforcement properties of lycopene add to the avoidance of type 2 diabetes. Tomatoes' fiber can likewise help safeguard against diabetes. May lower risk of cancer. Lycopene and beta-carotene, 2 cancer prevention agents tracked down in tomatoes, have been displayed to have anti-cancer properties. They do this to some extent by safeguarding against the sort of DNA harm in cells that can prompt the advancement of the disease and by making malignant growth cells vanish. A few investigations have discovered that men with higher admissions of tomatoes, especially cooked tomatoes, have a lower hazard of prostate disease. What's more, overall, eating non-boring vegetables like tomatoes has been connected to a lower hazard of estrogen receptor-negative bosom growths as well as disease of the colon, rectum, lung, stomach, and upper aerodigestive plot, like the mouth, throat, and nasal sinuses. May help with post-workout relaxation. Exercise can harm proteins in the body, and exploration shows that the cell reinforcements in tomatoes might assist with balancing the impacts. One concentrate in competitors found that requiring 3.5 ounces of tomato juice for a long time post-practice worked on the competitor's recuperation. In another review, 15 solid non-competitors practiced for 20 minutes on a bike after drinking 5 ounces of tomato juice for a very long time, trailed by 5 weeks without tomato juice, and an additional 5 weeks with the juice. The immune system may benefit. The vitamin C and beta-carotene in tomato juice might assist with supporting the SAFE framework. One investigation discovered that tomato squeeze fundamentally expanded degrees of SAFE cells, including a sort called regular executioner cells are known to fight off infections. The vitamin C in tomatoes goes about as a cell reinforcement and is significant for skin, bones, and connective tissue. It likewise advances mending and assists the body with engrossing iron. Potassium is a mineral expected to fabricate proteins in the body, including muscle, separate and use starches, and manage heart rhythm and pH balance. Vitamin K is expected for blood to clump and keeps up serious areas of strength for more established grown-ups. Folate assists produce DNA, the structure with blocking the human body. It likewise helps structure red platelets to forestall frailty and works with nutrients B12 and C to assist the body with separating, using, and making new proteins and tissues. Watch for more informative videos. Please subscribe and like our YouTube channel at Brighter Health Info. Also visit our website www.brighterhealthinfo.com and press the bell icon.